Good morning, Tamina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. This is video number 4 on angles. The link for the other videos you can see in the description below. So these videos are for year 7 and 8 especially, to develop the entire concept of angles, how to measure unknown angles in triangle, equilateral, and its connection with the parallel line. So in this video we will see the rules we apply when lines are parallel, what is the connection between angles. So let's start here. So first angle we are talking about is corresponding angle. There are 4 angles properties which you have to remember in context of parallel lines. Okay, the pictures are here, but let me show you here one more time. If you have 2 parallel lines like this one and this one, and the third straight line which passes through it like this is called transversal. I have written here transversal. Now angles, if you look at this green one which is here, right, it is forming F shape. Now F shape could be in this way, F shape could be like this, right? So these angles are called corresponding angle and they are equal to each other. So if I say here that this is 60, what is B? You will say B is equals to 60 and in bracket you will write corresponding angle. Similarly, this orange one, now this is, if you see, is F in the opposite direction. If you look at this is your F in this direction. What about this one? Like this. So you can have F in any direction. So the angles which are inside and outside, they are equal to each other. See, what is the meaning of alternate angles? Alternate angles we remember with the shape Z. These shapes, if you remember, there will be no problem in remembering the name of the angles. So again, if I take 2 parallel lines and I take one straight line which is cutting them, it is called transversal. Now what are the pairs which make alternate angle, which are equal to each other? You have to see, for example, this and this. Okay, so this is Z shape. So alternate angle we remember with the help of Z shape. So these angles are equal to each other. Similarly, if I talk about, for example, this one, right, not exactly Z, but shape is like that. So this angle equals to this angle. These are called alternate angle and they are equal to each other. So if this is 120, then this is also 120. If this is 60, then this is also 60. Okay, sorry. So now the third one is co-interior angle. Which shape reminds you? C. Now if you look at this diagram, these are 2 parallel lines, right? And the third line, which is transversal, so if you see inside like this, it is a shape of C. Not exactly, but it is. Now they are not equal to each other. Sum of these angle will be equals to 180 degree. In case of alternate angle Z shape, they are equal. If this is 100, then this is also 100. Similarly, in corresponding angle, which is formed by F shape, they are equal. If this is 10, then this is also 10. But in case of co-interior angle, it is not equal. Sum of the interior angle equals to 180 degree, right? For example, if I see here, this is a C made with the help of parallel lines. Let's solve 2 questions, keeping the same property in our mind. If we see, by the way, do not worry about what is written here. It's because I've taken it from different places. Okay, so now if I have to find out Z, I'm talking about shape A, I will see which property is made here. And what I noticed, this symbol means these are parallel line. Okay, so these are parallel line. And this is a line coming from here, right? So if you look at this pink, it is forming Z. So it means this angle equals to this angle. So I can say Z equals to 45 degree. And in bracket, I will write what? Which property is this? Z is made in alternate angle, right? So you have to remember this. So now you will write here alternate angle. Now let's come to x. X you cannot find right now. First of all, you have to find y. Now for the y, if you see, it is a triangle. This line, and this line. So 45 plus 105 plus y equals to 180. Right? We studied this thing, na? The sum of three angles should be equals to 180 in triangle. So I can say y is equals to, what is 45 plus 105? You can do it mentally also. 150. So 180 minus 150 is equals to 30. So y is equals to 30. So we have just found z is 45, y is 30. So what is x? Now it is easy. Why is it easy? Because we know a straight line makes 180 degree. So if we know two angles, the third angle is easy to find. I will simply do 45 plus 30 plus x equals to 180. And the way I have solved above, I will solve and get the answer. Let's see part B. In part B, y is very easy. Why is it easy? Because I can see this line and this line is parallel, right? So if you see here, it is forming z here. Yes or no? It is forming z here. So y is equals to 60. So let me write here. And I will write the property alternate angle. What about x? If you look at this and this, it is forming z. Yes or no? So you can simply say x is equals to 45 alternate angles. Make sense? It looks difficult, but actually it is not. Let's see the third case. To find out x, what will I do? What comes in your mind? Yes, Z shape, because this line and this line is parallel and this is your transversal. So you can get an angle like this Z, right? It is Z na? So you can say x is equals to 42 and write here alternate angles. Now come to now this is 42. So y is very easy now. Why is it easy now? Tell me. Because you see the straight line. What is the straight line? This one. Straight line, right? A straight line has 180 degree. So x plus y are angles on the straight line. So you can write x plus y equals to 180. Here y is equals to 180 minus x. 180 minus 42. Right. Now what about this z? Can you think of any property? Yes, I can. Let me erase this whole thing. I think you can also do it. If I see there is a z like this. Sorry. This one. So it is like this. So this angle, which is z, is equals to 65 because it is making alternate angle. So you can write here z is equals to 65 and alternate angles. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe with your friends. In the next video, I will include triangle with polygon properties and with parallel line. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.